Hello friends, welcome to my class. Now I am going to explain the very important problems based on the cross product or vector product, which was already asked in the previous examinations like AEEE, NEET and JEE Mains. Okay, now let us go through the one by one. There is a first problem is there. A bar cross B bar equal to C bar, then which of the following statement is wrong? Okay, there are options are there. Now let us see. So from this statement we can write it as this is a cross. This is A bar is a vector, B bar is a vector. We know that the cross product of the two vectors gives vector, but the dot product of the two vectors gives a scalar or magnitude. So this is a vector. From this we can write it as C bar is perpendicular to A bar. Okay, this is perpendicular to A bar, and C bar is perpendicular to also to B bar. Okay, so this is from that. How can we write a diagram? Okay, now let us see. So these are the A bar and B bar, two vectors making with an angle of theta. Okay, and this is, we know that A bar cross B bar. Is clear? So this cross product of the two vectors, which is always normal to B bar and A bar, and there is a C bar vector. This is a C bar vector which is normal to B bar vector and A bar vector. C bar is a vector normal to A bar and also with normal to B bar. Okay, though, and this is what? Okay, this is right and this is right. C bar is normal to A bar plus B bar. From that we can write it as C bar is normal to the sum of the A bar plus B bar, right? Correct. If it is normal to this one and this one, okay, this is vector, this is vector, sum of the two vectors gives vector only. So that we can say C bar is normal to A bar plus B bar. So which is it is also true, statement is correct. So this might be the wrong statement. Okay, how? That we are going to see. Listen to me. C bar is normal to A bar and B bar, and the cross product of the A bar and B bar in this direction, and the C bar vector also in the same direction. From that we can write it as C bar is parallel to A bar cross B bar. It's clear or not? So this C bar is parallel to A bar cross B bar, but here C bar is perpendicular to A bar cross B bar. This is a wrong statement. So option D is the right answer. Clear? So this is the answer for this question. Now let us see in the same way. One more question is there. A bar dot B bar equal to 0. Okay, and A bar dot C bar equal to 0. Then the vector A is parallel to, then the vector A bar is parallel to what? Parallel to what? Options are there. That is B bar, C bar. Okay, option A, B and C. Option C is B bar dot C bar, and option D is B bar cross C bar. These are the options. Now let us check. Okay, this is the dot product of the two vectors giving 0, nothing but it might be cos 90. Yes or no? We know that A bar dot B bar is equals to AB cos theta. If theta is equals to 90, cos 90 is 0. Cos 90 0, total becomes 0. Okay, from that we can write it as A bar is perpendicular to B bar because theta is, so this is A vector and this is might be B vector. Angle between them is 90. So from that we can write it as A bar is perpendicular to B bar, and from this we can write A bar is perpendicular to C bar. Okay, so our question is then what is the vector A bar is parallel to? Okay, here A bar is perpendicular to B, A bar is perpendicular to C, and A bar is also perpendicular to B bar dot C bar, because so this is what vector and this is a vector. The dot product of the vector, that is gives scalar quantity, and that is also normal. So there may be a right answer is this one. Let us check. Okay, this is A bar, okay, and this is B bar, or otherwise let us say this is B bar and this is C bar. Angle between them is theta. So this is what the normal, the cross product of the two vectors, that is B bar cross C bar. Okay, and from our condition, okay, what can we understand? A bar is a vector which is normal to B bar, and A bar is a vector which is normal to C bar. So there may be a vector in which direction, because it is normal to this one, also normal to this one, and the cross product of the two vectors in this direction already we studied in the vector product. Okay, so like this, there may be a like this, or we can apply like this. Okay, the cross product of the B bar and C bar is in upward direction. Okay, so from this diagram we can understand A bar is parallel to B bar cross C bar. Clear? A bar is a vector which is in the direction of the B bar cross C bar. So that this option is the right answer, because A bar is parallel to B bar cross C bar. From the diagram only we can understand, otherwise we cannot. Okay. So these are the statements which are very important to understand the diagram or to draw the diagram. Now let us see third problem. Okay, now I am using this book which is very important for the problems, that is Cengage, author of Cengage is C.P. Singh. Okay, this is very best book for the problem solving purpose, and also there is a one more book is there, that is concept of physics, written by H.C. Verma. So this is also very beautiful book to understand the concept of the physics. Okay, I am following this book for the concept, I am following this Cengage for the problem solving purpose. Now let us go through the third problem from the Cengage, which was already asked in the previous examinations. Okay, there is a vector mod of A bar cross B bar is equals to root 3 A bar dot B bar. Then what is the value of mod of A bar plus B bar? This value we need to find out. So options are there: A square plus B square plus AB by root 3 all to the power of 1 by 2. Okay, and second option is A plus B, and third option is A square plus B square plus root 3 into AB all to the power of 1 by 2, and this is A square plus B square plus AB all to the power of 1 by, this is the fourth option, A, B, C, D options. Let us go through the one by one, third one. So this is mod. The cross product of the two vectors gives what? Vector only. That we can write it as, okay, AB sin theta into n cap. If it is mod, we should not take direction, we have to take the magnitude only. Okay, because there is a determinant form, we have to take only magnitude, that is AB sin theta equal to root 3. This is A bar dot B bar, that is AB cos theta. Okay, so AB gets cancelled, sin theta by cos theta equal to root 3, that gives tan theta equal to root 3, and theta is equals to tan inverse of tan 60 because tan 60 value is root 3. Tan and tan gets cancelled, theta is equals to 60 degrees. Then if you go through this mod of A bar plus B bar equal to, we know that the magnitude of the parallelogram, okay, parallelogram is the, that is what resultant direction, the resultant vector magnitude of the parallelogram, that is A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta. Clear? This is the magnitude of the resultant vector, okay, in the parallelogram. So this is what? Square root of A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta. Theta is how much? 60. So from that we can write it as A square plus B square plus 2AB cos 60 how much? Cos 60 value is 1 by 2. 2 gets cancelled here. A square plus B square plus AB, and this square root we can write it as half, okay, all to the power of. So what is the option is right? So this is answer, option D is the correct. Clear? So these are the questions which was already asked in the previous examinations. Now let us go through the one by one. And there is a question, the angle between the vectors A bar and B bar is theta. The angle between the vector A bar and B bar angle is theta, okay, and the value of the triple product, the value of triple product, that is A bar dot of B bar cross A bar, okay, we need to find this value, Now let us see options are, first option is A square B, second option is 0, and third option is A square B sin theta, and fourth option is A square B cos theta. Okay, these are the options. Let us see. Solution. Listen to me. A bar and B bar is there, the angle between them is theta. We have to find the triple product of this, okay. So from this we can understand, this is A bar and B bar, angle between them is theta. If you find this, this is B bar cross, okay, this is A bar cross B bar, A bar cross B bar, which is normal to B bar and also normal to A bar vector, okay. So I am taking this A bar dot this. Listen to me clearly. This A bar is a vector which is normal to this vector. It is also vector. A bar cross B bar is a vector form, and I am doing the dot product of the two vectors. That is only A bar dot of, okay, B bar cross A bar. If we change the order, we can write it as B bar cross A bar. Okay. The dot product of the two vectors gives what? Always 0. Clear? Because and this B cross A is normal to A bar. Then we can write it as A bar, that is BA or ABA cos 90, that is 0. Total becomes 0. So option is what? Second option is the right answer. Without checking any options, directly we can understand, okay, directly we can say the answer by observing, by understanding the diagram. So this is in physics, diagrams are very important From the condition we need to write the diagrams, so which tells us the result. Now let us do one more thing. So without wasting time, so I am going very fast. Okay, the value of A bar plus B bar, there is A bar plus B bar cross A bar minus B bar, A bar minus B bar. So what is the value of this? This is very simple, you know, cross product. Directly we have to do the cross product, that is A bar cross A bar, okay, this one and this one, okay, and this one must be multiplied with this one, minus A bar cross B bar and this one with this one, plus B bar cross A bar, okay, minus B bar cross B bar. Okay, clear? Listen to me. The cross product of the same vectors always gives 0. Okay, the cross product of the same vectors always gives 0, and this becomes 0 and this is also become 0. From that we can write, okay, this is A bar cross B bar plus, so this we can write it as non-commutative property, that is minus A bar cross B bar, and this we can write as B bar cross A bar. In that we will get plus here, we can take anything, okay.